Here I have HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite, and let me show you how to accomplish inserting here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the operation. Afterwards, you need to find the slot. The slot to your cards is located right here at the left edge of the device. Then let's use some kind of the special eject tool, or it could be simply the thumb tag. In my case, let me try with the thumb tag. You need to press it right here, and now you can remove the whole thing from your device. So this is the tray where you should insert the Nano SIM and micro SD card. Let me do it. Let's start with the micro SD. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here, and let's place it in that position. Alright. Let's also insert the Nano SIM with the characteristic edge right here. Let's place this card that way, and this is the properly prepared slot. Now let's put the whole thing right here, and let's just press it to the end. Alright, so now you need to press the power key to switch on the device and to check out if everything works correctly. The smartphone is turning on. Let's wait a few seconds. Excellent, the home screen pops up, so now we can unlock the device, and let's choose the settings. From the list of settings, find and select storage. As you can see, the device is reading your SD card. Let's go back. You can also choose here wireless and networks and choose dual SIM settings. As you can see, the SIM card is right here, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.